As a business owner, you want to know who your customers are, and when, how often, and how much they buy from you. Imagine you own a restaurant and would like to know which of your customers bring in the most revenue in order to invite them to a particular specialty week. Or you want to know who your regular customers were that no longer come to your establishment. With the Customer Relationship Management from Lyoness, you can now get all your regular customers' information in a tool that you need for your business, and how this works can be explained with a simple example. You start in your Loyalty Merchant portal. Select Lyoness Solutions and then CRM, also known as Customer Relationship Management. Then you reach the overview of your dashboard. In the upper part, you can see a graphical representation of your top customers during the last 30 and 60 days, sorted by their revenues, as well as the top customers in the last 30 days, sorted by the frequency of their purchases. You now switch to the menu item Clients. Your Customer Relationship Management will automatically be filled with all the regular Lyoness customers who registered at your store. You also have the option to capture your existing non-Lyoness customers in the system. With the button Import Non-Lyoness Customers, you can download a template as text file and fill in the gaps with your customer information in Step 1. Then select the completed file. You can choose whether to send customers an email, requesting from them to give you permission to subscribe them to your newsletters, and obtain information. With the Upload button, you invite customers into your CRM. As another option, you can also capture customers individually in the CRM via an input option. To do this, click on the New Non-Lyoness Customer. With this customer search feature, you can also search your customers through various search criteria. You can filter them by name, location, age, gender, birthday, and after-sales activities. As an example, select all Lyoness customers who have made at least 15 purchases at your store during the last 3 months. Run the search by clicking on Search, and you will get a list with the results. You now would like to make an appointment with the customer from the list who has made the highest ever sales with you. Click on View at the beginning of the line to access a detailed overview of the customer. Here you get all the information that is available for this customer: his personal data, current activities, and also a list of the transactions that were made at your store. In order to schedule the appointment by phone, insert a new task. As a subject, enter Call. And then choose the end of the week as the due date of this task. You can now be reminded by the CRM on a particular point of time to complete the task. Finally, save the task. The task will now be displayed in the detailed overview of your customer. When you return to the home page, in the Graphic Overview section, you will always have an overview of your upcoming events and tasks. Another area in Customer Relationship Management is the valuation of the sales made to your customers under the Menu Reporting. There are 3 valuations available to you. The first shows your top customers. Select the number of customers to be shown, whether by revenue or the number of purchases made during a specific period of time. For example, You want to see the top 10 customers by revenue for the last 3 months. The result shows you a list of customers with the most important information. All result lists can also be saved as a CSV file, Valuation Export. The second valuation shows your lost customers. You can determine how much sales a customer must have made over a certain period of time, and how long ago this customer made the last purchase. For example, show my customers with at least 100 euros in sales in the last 3 months, but without any sales last month. Again, you get a list with the results. The third valuation, Recent Transactions, shows you all transactions within a definable period of time. For example, show my last month's transactions. These sales valuations and the personal data of your customers can now be used in a professional customer relationship management tool, which will always keep you one step ahead.